everybody? This is your girl Shashay, and we are live at the Misfit Tour, Destiny World Church out here in Atlanta, Georgia. What's up? My boy Molly Music is in the building. With Molly Music, how you doing?
Hey, it's good to be here. I'm really good.
So tell everybody, what made you want to be a part of the Misfit Tour?
Well, me and Chris Durso, who's the kind of the visionary of the whole movement, we met at the Firehouse in Dallas at Bishop Jake's church, his youth ministry, and it was unreal. We just connected. I sung, he spoke, and it was just a fire from then. And he told me about the whole movement, like when it was in its baby form, and I just told him like whatever he needed, if I could be a part of it, whatever he needed me to do, I'll do, and it materialized, and we're here. Yeah.
Definitely, wow. So tell everybody, when's the album coming out?
Yeah, it's looking like the album's gonna be dropping in October, and I'm really excited about it.
Okay, what's it called?
It's looking like Molly Is.
Okay.
And I'm gonna be doing some of the songs from it tonight.
Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. So what can people expect from the tour in general?
Well, the Misfit Tour is exactly that. It's so much unexpected things going on, but the movement and the climate of what's really happening in the kingdom today for us, and God is on here. There's a lot of things that isn't Him, but there's a lot that is typical. So the Misfit Tour is just full of just excitement. It's so anointed, and it's real, and it's for right now.
Amen. And tell everybody how they can get your music, because you already have some great music out.
Yeah, The Second Coming, you definitely get that on iTunes, CD Baby, Amazon, all those online, and a couple of stores, maybe some selected Walmarts in the southern region. Also, some of the new singles released on iTunes, you can just put in Molly Music and it'll show all the new releases, and we'll just take it from there. YouTube it too.
Definitely. Well, it's definitely an honor to meet you in person.
Yes.
And all right, we got the music in the back, but God bless you. Appreciate you.
Yes.
All right.
We finna get this thing started. Bless you.
Still you try to walk on. Every move you make feels like you're sinking. It's improbable.